UV DTF film vs traditional labels. Mycolor Print Technology Co. Ltd. Recently, the discussion about UV DTF film is in full swing. Anyone who has been in the industry for a long time knows that although UV DTF film is similar to traditional labeling, there are also some differences. First, the difference in craftsmanship. The early traditional labeling process was cumbersome. Recently, the discussion about UV DTF film is in full swing. Anyone who has been in the industry for a long time knows that although UV DTF film is similar to traditional labeling, there are also some differences. First, the difference in craftsmanship. The early traditional labeling process was cumbersome and required multiple steps to complete. First of all, it is necessary to prepare the adhesive and printing ink in advance, prepare the main materials and auxiliary materials, and design the printing film and printing plate in advance. The second step is to coat the surface of the high-density material with released silicone oil. The third step is to print the prepared adhesive. The fourth step, printing the prepared protective primer. Fifth step, printing UV protection varnish, and then drying and curing by UV light. The seventh step is to cover the high-viscosity protective film, and then cut the finished product. The process of UV DTF film is simple and fast, with no plate making or waste disposal. As long as the pattern is confirmed, the printing can be started, and the glue and ink can be sprayed directly, and an A3-sized pattern can be printed in a few minutes, and the film can be applied after printing. Second, the difference in the number of prints. Traditional labeling requires plate making and mold opening, which generally has higher requirements for the number of prints and is more suitable for mass production, while UV DTF film does not need to open a screen and print from one. Third, the difference in effect. The traditional labeling color is relatively dull, easy to fade, and many special and complex processes cannot be realized, while UV DTF film supports embossing, varnish, complex pattern printing, easy to carry, easy to transfer, no glue, no fading. These are the three obvious differences between UV DTF film and traditional labeling. It can be seen that compared with traditional labeling, UV DTF film has made a big leap in both craftsmanship and effect, so it has gained a lot of consumption. The approval of the person,